Enough?
One more question. Regarding reincarnation, I just want to know how many times we're going to come back.
Endless, as much as you like. Why would you ever stop? Why would you ever stop? And it's important to understand that non-physical does not need a physical body in order to experience physicality as we just described. And so it's whatever you want. It's whatever you want. This leading edge time-space reality is intoxicatingly calling you. You want to come and devour the deliciousness of this. It's only those of you in your physical bodies who have temporarily or in the moment pinched yourself off from knowing who you really are that say, hey, once I'm gone. Sometimes you say, people would get in the chair from time to time, say, Abraham, I'm done. Tell anybody who needs to know that once I've lived out this physical lifetime, I don't want to come back. And we say, we'll carry your message, but no one will listen. Because in the moment that you make your transition, all the things that have been bothering you that make you make such a ridiculous decision leave your experience. And you don't make those decisions from here in your negative receptive mode. You make them from your receptive mode, you see. Just think about it. That's a good thing for you to ask yourself. If you're saying, please, no more, you might not be in the receptive mode. Something more?
That's
Really good.